Good morning, dear children. Today, let's discuss about the topic creating a blank presentation by simply inserting text and images. Whenever we are starting MS PowerPoint window, it opens a new presentation and its name will be Presentation 1. On the title bar, we can see the name of the presentation as Presentation 1. And also, in the slides pane, we can see a slide with two placeholders. And this slide is known as the title slide. Whenever we are opening the presentation, we can see a slide is called title slide. And do you know how to add text on a slide? Here we can see a placeholder. We just want to click inside the placeholder and we can start typing. This is how we can insert text inside the placeholder. It is possible to type inside the placeholder only. Suppose you have inserted a blank slide without any placeholder, it is not possible to type anything on the slide. Okay. And also we can add many slides as you want in a presentation. For that, in the Home tab, we can see an option called New Slides. To insert a similar slide as the previous one, we just want to click on the top half of the New Slide button on the Home tab. And to select a slide with a new layout, we have to click on the bottom half of the new slide option. Here we can see this is the new slide option. Whenever we are clicking on the top half, we can insert a similar slide as the previous one. And in the second half, we can see an arrow button. When we click on the arrow button, we can see lot of layouts of the slide. So here we can see these are the various types of layout. So, depends upon our need, we can select any one of the layouts from here. For comparison study, chart, table, for inserting pictures. So, based on that, we can insert any one of the layout or slide from the new slides second half. Whenever we are selecting or inserting a new slide, the new slide is displayed both in the Slides tab and in the Slides pane. And we can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M to add a new slide. Okay, now we have inserted 3 slides in the presentation. These all 3 slides are displayed in a small view in the Slides tab. Whenever we are clicking on a particular slide, that slide we can see in the slide pane. And next we are going to discuss how to add picture on a slide to make the presentation attractive. For that, first we have to click on the Insert tab. In the Images group, click on the Picture button. The Insert Picture window will be opened. Here you can see when I click on the Picture option, the Insert Picture window will be opened. Now we can select the picture of our choice from the Pictures library or from a file. And finally, we have to click on the Insert button. Now you can see we have inserted a picture from the file. This is how we can add pictures into the slide. After inserting the picture, we can see an extra tab on the ribbon which is called Format. The Format tab we can use for making the picture more attractive and we can apply different formatting features on the picture. Now let's check how to insert a picture from the clip art. For that, we have to click on the Insert tab. Then click on the Clip Art button in the Images group. The Clip Art taskbar open on the right side. Here we can see in the right side, this is called the Clip Art taskbar. And here we can see one search box. So in the search for text box, we have to type the name or category to locate the clip art. Then we have to click on the button called Go. So in the search box, I am going to type the keyword car. Then I have clicked on the option called Go. Now here we can see lot of pictures of cars. So whatever picture we need, we just want to double click on it. That particular clip art will be appear on the slide. Okay, this is how we can insert clip art in the slide. And it is possible to make bigger or smaller the clip art. This is how we can insert various clip art on the slide. We just want to double click on the clip art. It will be automatically appear on the slide and we can change the position of the picture by dragging the picture. It is possible to make bigger or smaller. Our next topic is working with text. In a PowerPoint presentation, text can be edited or formatted very similar to the way it is done in MS Word. The first step to edit or format text as a slide is selecting the text. To select the text, place the cursor next to the text and drag the mouse over it. A highlighted box will appear over the selected text, and we can modify the font or delete the text. Modifying means we can change the font size, style, color or cases. Use the different buttons in the font group of the Home tab. The same thing we have already studied in the case of MS Word. So the similar options we can use in the case of PowerPoint also. So this is how we can modify the font by using various options available in the Home tab. It is also possible to delete the text. To delete the text to the left of the cursor, press the backspace key. To delete the text to the right of the cursor, we have to press the delete key on the keyboard. So this is how we can delete the text. First of all, we have to select the text for deleting and modifying the font. So today first we have studied how to add text on the placeholder. By simply clicking on the placeholder, we can type text on the slide. After that, we have studied how to insert pictures and clip art on the presentation. By using the option picture and clip art in the insert tab, we can insert various pictures and clip arts on the slide. And finally, we have studied how to insert various slides. By using the new slide option available in the Home tab, we can insert various slides, and also it is possible to format the fonts.